You know, so it's errands day. It's a Saturday. We got things to do. Just quickly show you guys the fit. You know, as usual, casual sneakers. Not sure if you guys are seeing it. So white sneakers, cute little white sheer top, bag, glasses, and by the way, I washed my hair this morning. So yeah, it's looking kind of crazy. I can't find my tam. I can't find my bucket head. There, I do have another bucket head, but I think it's kind of too big for my head. Let me show you guys how it looks. I don't think I'm feeling it. So this was the only bucket head I could find, and as you can see, it's like really huge. It's a medium, and yeah, I'm really not feeling it. It's way too big, so we're gonna just go with our hair on the road, looking wet, and yeah, we're gonna knock out. I need to buy. I'm gonna get a mirror, probably for the living area or bathroom. I'm trying to contemplate, but when I get to the store, we're gonna see what they have, and I'm literally gonna be driving 30 minutes to this store. It's in St. Catherine, Portmore area. Is it more than, based on where I live? Yeah, I think it's roughly around 30-40 minutes away. So, and it's a Saturday with traffic, and it's going on to 2:35, so we need to get out of here. So yeah, I just wanted to like jump in and tell you guys what's up for this Saturday. We'll chat once we get on the road. Alright, so before I left out, I found this tam, and my hair is all dry, so it's like flying everywhere. So I'm just gonna wear this tam because you know what? I can't be going in the store looking crazy. Even though I knew my hair would have, you know, dry and looking crazy, but you know what? I found the tam, so let's just put it on, put on back my shades, and this is just what we gotta work with until, you know what? I think I need to just purchase some bucket hats, some more. So I need to go back on Shein and get some bucket hats, because I don't understand why I can't find them. I have no reason why I can't find them. Anyways, let's heading aside and see what we got. I found the mirrors. Wall mirror with rope. Nope. Alright, let me see what I can find. Oh, these are nice, but they're too small. That one lights up. That's, oh, sorry, my phone fell. Oh, that one is way too big. It's a slow Sunday, y'all. We are having a very slow snail Sunday today. I got up around like 8:30, stayed into bed for another half an hour, got up, shower, made some breakfast, started to cook, and then I went straight into the couch to watch Dr. House. Like, I've literally been binging in the couch for like 2.5 hours. It's moving on to like 1:30 now. Good thing is I'm finished cooking the stew peas. That's what I'm having today. The only thing left is just the rice. I'll just cook that closer to the time I'm ready to eat, probably around 5 o'clock today. And yeah, so I've just been benching around. I do have some school, well, I don't have a school assignment to do, but I have a test upcoming this week, so I need to, you know, read up on that. And I think that's it for today. Oh, yesterday I show you guys, like, I drove like almost 40 minutes to Portmore to a store. So the backstory, as they posted something on their Instagram, like a round mirror for $5,000. It looked very big on the video. Went to the store yesterday, y'all. Remember, I drove almost 40 minutes. Went into the store, and when I saw the mirrors, the $5,000 one did not match what me see on the Instagram. So what I saw on Instagram was smaller for the price is what's in the store, smaller than what's in the store. So I'm like, what they post on the social media does not add up. So I don't know if they lied or whatever the case is, but that's not the size that I saw for $5,000. And it was too small. Like, I wouldn't even drive that way if I knew that's how small it was, because that's not what I'm looking for. So I ended up didn't get a mirror, but I did buy a garbage can and 2 containers for, I think I'm gonna put my rice and sugar in it, because my rice is still in this big bag and my sugar is still stored in the fridge. So I got 2 containers. I actually should have bought 3 for my flour, but I haven't even pulled my flours yet, but whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys a garbage trash can. It's just a small step up thing. I wanted black. They had black on display, but the black didn't finish, and I didn't want the display one, even though they said I've gotten a discount. But that display thing is a step up bin. Everybody had tested, and I just didn't like how it looked. So got like a brownie, light brown color, and the 2 containers. So let me show you guys that. Alright, so this is the trash can that I got. It's very small, and you know, the kitchen space is like very small, so I didn't want anything big. And yeah, I mean, it goes with a little, you know, brown theme that's going on, even though this is light, but whatever. So yeah, so this is it. Then we got these 2 big food storage container, perfect for my rice, so I can like leave it on the counter, because of course I definitely do have space up there. So I need to wash them before I put anything in it, of course. So they actually had smaller ones, you know. I should have bought a small one for, you know, something else, or probably for like my cereal, but we'll work with this. So I need to wash them, let them dry. So probably by tomorrow, when they dry, I can, you know, store my stuff in it. Let me see. Okay, it comes with a scoop. Okay, and it's plastic, by the way. I did not want any glass jars, because glass jars, what the hell is wrong with me? Because I'm kind of clumsy. Oh, yeah, I'm clumsy, so I don't want anything that can easily be broken. But for today's Sunday, that's all we're doing. I do have some Shein packages that I need to unbox. I'll probably do that with you guys, or you know, I don't know, if I feel to wear. Definitely in the next hour I'm just gonna watch some few more episodes of Host, and then for the next, after the hour, I'm gonna start doing some schoolwork for like 2 hours, and then after that break, put on my rice and eat. And then for our next hour, I'm gonna pick up the book again, and then for the rest of the night, I am free to just relax and, you know, do whatever I want. Oh, this trash can is really tiny, though. Oh my god, why did I die? This shit is tiny as hell, but it will work. It's just me alone. It will work. So I moved the trash can like closer to this section, because I don't really go in this cupboard. Just my cleaning supplies are in here, and my washing stuff, yeah, in here is not so great, not organized. But yeah, so I hardly go in here unless I'm cleaning, so it's closer to this. So yeah, it's fine right here, and it's all good, so perfect. And this was very affordable. You know, for all my subscribers who live in Jamaica, you guys saw where I went. Jungo, I don't know how it's pronounced. I think I paid $2,800 for this. So yeah. Alright, so for now, I'm just gonna watch Dr. House and just chill for next hour, and then after that, it's book time. Okay, gotta take up my book today. The work that I have, or the little quiz or exam that they call, is on Thursday. So yeah, I'm gonna knock that out today, and probably later we do a little Shein haul. I probably should have done that now, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes with the Shein. I need to actually double check what package is it and see if I can show you guys if it's something that's interesting, or it's clothing. I think some is clothes and some other stuff press-ons. But if it looks interesting, then you guys will see. If you don't see, then you know, yeah. So we need to watch Dr. House right now because I'm just feeling just not lazy. Lazy is the word I'm looking for.
Stick by guy. No, he doesn't get bitten until 3 months after we treat him.
All right, so I wanted to jump in the Shein haul right now, y'all, because you know the natural light is going down. It's heading to after 5 p.m. right now. So the first outfit that we have on is this cute jumpsuit. Everything I'm showing you guys is from Shein, and it's very stretchy material. The only thing about it, it's not that tall to me. And I think I'm what, 5'4", 5'5". So if you're taller than me, then this jumpsuit definitely won't catch you all the way down to your ankles. I mean, I try to like pull it down at the bottom, but it's still like riding up. So just hint hint, if you guys are tall, this may not be for you. But the fantastic thing about this is the back, y'all. The back is very sexy. It's cut right down in the middle of my back. It's showing up all my shapes. So I'm loving the back. That's like the main reason why I bought this thing, is because of the back. But it's very cute with the sandals, or I'm definitely gonna wear this with the sneakers. So yeah, that's the first outfit. All the links will be down below, so you guys can check it out. I do have three more items I need to show you guys, and I also bought sunglasses. So we're gonna see how that looks and how the rest of the fits look. So we're gonna jump into the next outfit. So the next fit that we have is this cute, what they call it, ruched bodycon dress. Like this fits so perfect. I don't remember the size. I'm thinking it's a small. I took because I'm gaining a little weight, so it depends on what type of material. I'll buy extra large or small, extra small, sorry, or small. But yeah, this dress is perfect. I'm loving the one shoulder piece, and you know, it holds my body very nice. I'm loving the brown color as well, and it's all the way down to my ankles, which is perfect. We can have this with a cute little heels, or if you guys want to wear sandals as well, doesn't matter. But it's very nice for, it could be a date night or Friday night out with your girls. Very nice material. I'm loving it. It's not that tight at the bottom to like walk. You can walk freely, basically. See, I'm walking, and if I have on a heels, I won't be tripping over or whatever, because it's not that tight at the bottom. So loving it. Comment down below to tell me if you like this brown one shoulder dress. So we're gonna move on to the other. The next outfit that we have is this cute legging set. I am loving it so much, and it's very stretchy. As you can see, it comes all the way passing my navel, and the material is very good, very stretchy. And what I'm loving about this leggings is that it's all the way down to my ankles, like almost to my ankles. It's much longer than the first fit that I tried on. I'm loving it, and my boobs are not really falling out. You know, I think this is an extra small. I'll put up the size that I have. But yeah, this is very nice, cute errands outfit. You just grab on your sneakers, or Friday night fit, depending on where you're going. If you're going to like a soca party. By the way, it's Carnival in Jamaica right now, starting Well, I think it has started because there are a few soca parties popping up, but coming on to starting on March, like it's straight soca events all the way back to April 5th when we have the Sunday Road March Day. I'm super excited. I told you guys that I won't be jumping this year. If anything changes, we'll see. But for now, I'm not jumping, but I'll definitely gonna be on the road to show you guys what's happening on Carnival in Jamaica because you know I do that every year. But yeah, this I'm loving this, y'all. Definitely gonna drop the T for the link down below. And yeah, so we got. Oh, you know what? Let's try on the glasses right now. Gotta put on the mic, y'all. Let's try on the glasses to see what we work with. So this is accessory that we have. I'm looking at myself in the mirror right now. It's so cute. I'm gonna buy more. I'm not even sure. Not even sure if they have like in more colors, but by the way, y'all, I'm gonna comb my hair. My birthday is coming up in the next 6 days, so I need to figure out how I'm gonna comb my hair. Let's see how this shade goes. I like it. Let me just check the mirror. Y'all, it looks kind of big on my face, but it's all right. It's fine. This can definitely, you know, wear on the beach or with a cute day outfit. Yeah. So the last fit that we have is this cute crop top blouse. Y'all, this material, it's so thick. Like I have another blouse like this and it's definitely, the material is totally different from this. But this material is so thick. The color is so beautiful. And I think it's a little, well, I could have gotten it. Well, if I had gotten an extra small, I think it would have been a little bit tight. You know what? Let me double check if this is a extra small or a small. Let me see what size I got. No, I got a small. Yeah. So I think if I had gotten an extra small, it would have been so tight and not so free flowing. So I'm glad I got the small. You know, I can definitely, you know, tweak it and let it look good. And, you know, you can button it right here to just grab the ends right here. But I am loving this material and the color looks bomb, okay? The color looks bomb. Yeah, I am loving it. This is very cute, y'all. So that's all the fits that I have on. Remember, these are all the fits that I have. Sorry. I will drop the links down below. You know, if you see anything that you like, and just click the link, purchase. Y'all know Shein already. The prices are super affordable, super cheap. So I'm always going to be shopping on Shein. So yeah, that is a quick haul. It is, let me see what time it is. It is 5:30 now, so it's time for dinner. And by the way, I did pick up my book earlier. Um, just not enough. I just didn't do 2 hours of that. So tonight I definitely need to put in the work. Tomorrow, all the way through, I have classes Tuesdays and Wednesdays, so it's gonna be tricky. And I have one class that lasts up until almost 10 o'clock. So yeah, definitely gonna put in some work tonight, but we're gonna grab our dinner, you know, chill, watch some more house until after we're finished eating, just, you know, pick up our book, and that's it that we have for this Sunday. So I appreciate you guys so much for watching my lazy Sunday. Like it was literally lazy because I got like a late start today. Um, and by the way, I don't clean on Sundays. I normally clean during the week. The only time I don't get to clean during the week if it's like I'm super busy and I'm just not in the mood. But most of the times I clean during the week, and I normally wash on a Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday of each week, or every other week I wash. But yeah, but the place is all clean. I just need to fix up because I had to rearrange some stuff so I can get, you know, the perfect angle for this video. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching this Sunday vlog, and we'll see you. I'll see you in another video.
What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you complain. Don't say that. Sipping wine in a row. look too good to be alone. My house clean, pool warm, just say, yeah. We should be dancing.